Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can change the Canva website URL. So first thing that we are going to do here is we just have to open our Canva application using our mobile device, or if you are using your laptop or desktop, then you can also use the application. But currently, I am using the Canva web browser. Okay. So after that, you just have to log into your Canva account and then you just have to select the website that you would like to change the URL. Okay, so this is the website that I will be using as an example. So once you are here, you can see this publish changes option at the top and then this arrow facing downwards or the preview and settings. So tap on this one and then here you'd be able to see the site address or the URL. So you have this pencil icon beside your current URL. So all you have to do is to tap on this one. That's right. And then if you would like to change this one, then I just have to go here. Or you can also, get a new domain for this option. Then once you are done, then I just have to tap on the publish changes. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.